This is the PThink Google Pixel Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Not sure why they wanted to name their company PThink. Like, I don't want to think about P. 9H hardness. Don't know what that means. HD screen. Different screens emit different rays of light, and this glass can transmit high definition light rays. Sensitive touch. That's important. I have a sensitive touch. Oleophobic coating. I don't know what that means. It looks like it attacks water. Fingerprint resistant. Yep. Don't want people copying my fingerprint, stealing my identity, and a rounded edge. Oh, that's important for glass. I don't want to get cut using this thing. Features. Oh, I already named all these features. Okay, let's not waste any more time here. Let's open this thing. Got some tape or something here. How about that? Okay. Take that. Little son of... Okay, got that. Is it open like a book? Oh, this is a nice little book. Upside down. Oh, this is upside down. Installation auxiliary tools. This is going to be complicated. Wash and dry hands thoroughly. Okay, don't want to get any dirt on there. Clean your screen with auxiliary tools. Okay, that was over here, the auxiliary tools. Remove tab 1 to expose adhesive side of screen protector. Apply screen protector matching the corresponding buttons, the holes, the device opening the screen protector. If not aligned correctly at first, immediately lift screen protector and reapply. Once aligned, smooth away any remaining bubbles with your fingers or a credit card. Wipe screen clean with screen polish. Okay, this is going to be a process. Thanks for choosing PThink. Oh, another install guide here. You gotta wash your hands. Same instructions. Okay. Could be redundant. Ooh. Okay. Oh, there's 2 in here. Yep. Los dos. Okay. Not gonna actually apply this in this video. Sorry, that's another video. But I at least want to show if it lines up well. There's a Google Pixel here. Let's see how this lines up without taking the tape off. So hopefully you can make out how it lines up there. Looks pretty flush. I don't think we're gonna have any issues there. Huh? Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. All right, I'll get back to you after I do this thing. Have fun with this thing.